welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show June painting completion. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show or the completion. So this is actually my first completion diamond painting for June, and it's this one. I had shown it before in one of my TEMU haul videos a couple weeks ago, and I'll make sure to put a link of the video here in the corner in case you're curious on all the information about the painting, as well as two other paintings I also showed in that video. And really love this painting. So I've done, it's a 20 by 20, and I've done a lot of 20 by 20s by TEMU, and some of them do not end up as the most clear looking images. On camera you can see it, but to the naked eye, as they say it, you can't really see it too well. But this painting started clearing up as soon as I finished. I always start on the lower right corner. I don't know why, that just became my habit. Majority of it was green, but once I actually started moving into the brighter colors and starting hitting the center of the butterfly, I was so surprised that I actually started seeing the shape. You can actually see the little shape of the wings, the little shape of the little body in the middle, and the colors started really to pop. And I am so impressed by this painting, and I am so glad that this was my first completion in June. I did this one as kind of a side one while I've been working on two larger event paintings, and my June paintings as well. I just started the Cotton Candy Princess painting, and it's taking its time since they're larger paintings. As I've said before, I love kitting up smaller ones. This one I did kit up, but I originally kitted up back in, let's see, if we're June, yeah, the beginning of May. I originally kitted this one up, but that's when I was already having plans to move and all of that. That's why unfortunately this poor painting went to the side. And yeah, and then that's when I started event paintings, and I felt so bad that I put this little painting away, that once I've already settled in my new place, I grabbed this painting and actually started working on it while I was working on the larger ones. And I am so glad that I actually finished it through, and it's just so pretty. This painting only had 15 colors, so I knew I could work it up pretty quickly, and it wouldn't be an issue once I keep switching around to different paintings. And if unfortunately it takes a little longer, that's fine. I knew that I could finish it up, and I love all the colors. As I said, I love the vibrant oranges, and my favorite color of all of them is this really nice teal. When I got to this section, I was so happy when I started placing them and started seeing everything pop, starting to complement each other and starting to pop. I'm a big fan of how it came out. I didn't really have any issues, not that I can think of. It's, as I said, when I was working through the painting, it was working through smoothly, and I didn't really have any problems. It's just some colors to me don't, as you see this random orange. At first I thought I messed up. Sorry, make sure it's on camera. I originally thought I messed up. No, that's part of the placement that needs to be there. I have no idea why. So some of those little random spots threw me off, and you can see the same thing over here in this darker orange. There's this random little pink coral color that's just there. And same thing down here with this random green. That's the only issue I have, because to me it seems a little off, but since now I pointed them out, y'all are going to see it too. But I only saw it after I finished the painting and I actually started reviewing it. I noticed they're just little random spots. The colors, they're really, I'm not too sure that if I had decided, oh, let me just leave it dark orange, it would actually kind of throw off the painting. So that's the only kind of issue I have, but it's more of a visual issue. So, but anything else, it just didn't have problems with it. But yeah, and this one is, I am going to keep this one, and I'm going to frame it and put it on my wall, because this is such a nice summer painting. The colors speak summer to me, so I have no problem framing it up and putting it on the wall. My goodness, this came out so pretty. Let me pick it up a bit so you can see it clearly. As I said, I'll make sure to put a link to the video of when I first presented this painting in case, and a link as well to the description below to the painting if you're interested in purchasing a butterfly. Oh my goodness, I really liked it, and I said it was so much fun working it up. And yeah, I just put the washi tape as well just so it wouldn't get dirty and I don't stick on it when I'm leaning. But yeah, I really love this painting, and I'll make sure, as I said, so you can look for the link below so you can purchase one for you. So that's all I had for today. As of now, this is the only painting I completed for June. I'm super close to finishing my partial I've been doing for DP for Pets 24. It's an event that's going on that's being handled, I guess that's the best way I can word it, by YouTube channel Diamond Painting Anonymous. So I've been working on that for the month, and I'm super close to finishing, so I'll make sure to do a video of that completion when I'm done. And I'm also working on another event called Feline Love 2024 by Diamond Grandma. That one I'll probably finish at the end of the month because it has more. That one's a full-on painting, so it takes a little longer, and it's a 30 by 30, so I take a little longer for those. As soon as I finish that one at the end of the month, I'll make sure to put another video of another completion. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I appreciate that as well. It really helps with the channel, really helps with the algorithm, and really, let my channel be out there, be known, in case other diamond painters are looking for paintings as well. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.